Dear friends, welcome all of you to our channel Grow for Glow. I am your Anand Kumar. Let us see today about the easy mind technique, how to become happiest, at the same time to be a wealthiest, and also to have the very lot of abundance in our life. Very easy technique, we are going to discuss that. So before that, just have a break and do subscribe our channel and have your leisure time and be ready with that video. Let us go for that. Yes. Are you ready? Okay, now let us see the very simple technique about our mind. You see that just so before going to the video, just imagine, just you think about your name, first one. Second one, you think about your best friend. And you think about your car. And you think about the electronic accessories what you have, whether it may be a laptop or it may be mobile, and also you think about your TV. So just you think all these objects. Now just you realize, so when you think about your car, so what your mind, how do you feel that? Have you feel the color of the car? Or have you feel the color of your electronic accessories? Or have you feel about the particular and behavior of your best friend? So these are all the vision. Immediately when you think about the particular person or object or whatever the things it may be, you can get a visualize, and also you have the images in your mind. Understand? So here the mind visualize, the mind read only the images, then the context. Even you may have the context for the more than 100 number of pages. But when you get the small images or small pictures in the corner of the pages, corner of the side, then that capture alone will record in our mind. It will only the visualize the mind, will only the images. So like that, we people, we are always doing we need positive things, but we are giving input to our mind in the negative ways. How is it? You see that. For example, if you want to be a healthiest person, how you can record in your mind? Just you think always, I don't want to be ill. I don't want to be a poor. I don't want to be a debt. I don't want to be a fail. Isn't it? So we are thinking about the positive side of your life, positive side of your things, but your words, what you are putting in your mind is, I don't want to be a debt. I don't want to be a poor. So whenever you think about the debt, poor or fail or illness, immediately your mind will capture the particular images. Yes, the poor person. Yes, images, yes, you are debt person. Your images, yes, you are the failed persons, and also image of the ill persons. So whenever you think about the ill persons, immediately your mind visualizes to the one more step I began. Yes, is called those who are in hospitalized, those who are in the dead. So those who are in the very suffer about their health consciousness. So when you say I don't want illness, your mind think about the ill and the disease. So those who are in hospitalized. So like that. So you are putting the positive way, but the words what you are repeating to mind, it will capture as the negative side. So the images will be there. So in the continuous going on entire throughout life, so there will be no changes at all. There is no improvement at all. There is no progress at your life. Okay, this is what we are experiencing in the day-to-day life. It's okay? So what we do? So what our mind technique, our expert will say to overcome all this problem. Number one, you see that. First of all, we should say that instead of I don't want to be a poor, just you say I want to be a rich. I want to be a successful. I want to have a double my income. I want to have the many healthiest person. So instead of you don't want, you make you change the word want. Don't want to want, you make the I want to be a. So like that. So here it is possible that when you say I want to be healthiest person, your mind immediately catches about the health. So it will visualize all your health. So like that it will become a rich one. it will becomes your income. It may be the more, you can make your double income by your thinking about your positive words which you are input your mind. So these are the easiest technique, we can see that. Now, the thoughts of small changes. So what you are saying that your changes in the small thoughts, it will impact your behavior. In turn, it will impact your life and impact your success, and also entirely you can change your, with the small thoughts of changes, you can change entire progress. Wherever, whatever the task you may get it, it will be very easiest way to solve all this problem. So here you see that very easy technique. Whenever your mind is always visualize the images, then the context or text. So when you say I don't want, your mind will think always the particular things. It may be the poor, means it will visualize only the images of poor. If you say I don't buy hill, means your mind will always visualize about the illness. So instead of, even though it's positive way to become a success, but you should avoid the particular words. Instead of I don't want, you can make it I want to be a rich. I want to double my income. I want to be a healthy person. I want to be a success. So like that, when you input your thoughts like this, then your images will capture in such a way, it becomes a wonderful magic. It will be very magic one. It will create the visualize in such a image, in particular, very fantastic visualize in your mind. Then you can get easily success. It is easy way to be a mind technique. We can use that. So you said the Napoleon Hill. You said that. So become ambitious. So become aimful. Become a successful person. It is very effortless one. So instead of we are getting the misery or poor or misery or we are unfortunate, we need so much of energy. So, but we want to be success. There we no need to spend any more energies. Just we can spontaneously, effortlessly, we can get the success. So, how is possible? Only because of this easy mind technique. So, dear friends, I think it may be helpful to you. You can solve all your problems. So, by next video, how to get up the mind techniques in powerful way. Now you can get the energy of this. We could avoid you don't want. You should make the want. Then it will be surely it will helpful your life, helpful your career, helpful your success. Let us see you by the next video. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye. You are on.